ERPNext POS demo, what is it and how to use. So everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you what is ERPNext POS demo and how to use it. So let's just know what is ERPNext POS. So ERPNext POS point of sale is a built-in module in ERPNext that lets businesses process sales quickly at physical stores. It's optimized for touchscreens, works offline, and is linked directly to inventory and customer data and accounts in real time. And the key features are works online and offline, and barcode scanning support, real-time stock updates, and customer management system, invoicing and payment tracking, and multiple price listing and taxes, hardware integration like printers or scanners. So let's just know how to use ERPNext POS demo. So first of all, you have to come to the official website of ERPNext, as you can see, frappy.io/ERPNext. So after coming here, you have to use demo credentials, autofilled or public test login, and on the dashboard, you have to click point of sale. Click on point of sale and or search it on the search bar. As you can see, point of sale, you can search it from here. And as you can see, create POS opening entry, it says, and after that configure POS profile. If admin, you can set up your POS profile, like choose warehouse and default payment mode like cash, card, etc., and print settings and offline mode settings. And after that, you can just create a sale, like select an item from the list, and after that scan barcode and customers optional, and apply discounts or taxes if needed, and choose payment mode. And after that, you can click on complete sale. And for print or email invoice, you can instantly print or email the invoice or receipt to the customer. Each sale is synced with the ERP's accounting, stock, and reporting modules. And you can try the demo like this: add a product via stock, then item, and go to POS profile, set default, warehouse, and payment. Open a POS screen, test selling the items, see stock decrease, and invoice auto generate. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.